Hello and good day to all employers. I hope you're doing well and safe. By the way, I am Jinky L. Conihar, currently in the Philippines, married, high school graduate, 42 years old, and a mom of my two grown-up sons ages 20 and 23 years old. Dear employers, I am looking forward to be part of your family and work with you as your helper and a nanny. I considered myself as flexible, hardworking, trustworthy, God-fearing, and having 100% respect to my employers and cultures. I have relevant experience that suits to this job because I am a former domestic helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia since 2023 to 2025 as a helper and a nanny of a newborn baby. I do the house cleaning, ironing, cooking, washing the dishes and laundries, and taking care of the baby. Ensuring to cope up my daily responsibilities, from preparing meals of my employers before going to work, bathing the baby, feeding, changing clothes and diapers to be clean and presentable, and then making safe and sound. Before I work abroad, I have experience in the Philippines for almost 8 years. It was started when I was just 16 years old to my business owner employer having 1-year-old and 7-years-old kids. To my veterinarian employer with a toddler and a 5-years-old daughter, I've been there for 2 years. Last 2017 to 2022, I've been working of my CEO employer, taking care of her baby 4 months old until she became 2 years old. And when she gave birth to a second child, I took care of a 5 months old baby boy until he became 2 years old and 6 months. Many says that job was so hard, but for me it's okay because I am happy and proudly to tell that all my past jobs are considered well done with the guidance of the Lord. I just adopt the ethics of work, showing interest, willingness, love, and care to work even without the supervisions of my employer, and also following the rules. And then, I'm so happy to tell that it's been successful. Lastly, thank you so much for lending ears of my video, and I hope that I will be selected as one of your workers soon. Thank you so much once again. God bless and take care.